Things to do that will help you get rid of snoring. If you want to learn to alleviate some of your snoring habits while you're dreaming, then you're in the right spot. A lot of people are very self-conscious of going to sleep next to other people because of their snoring, yet you shouldn't feel like this, especially after you read through this video. While it may take a little time, losing any excess weight can be extremely beneficial to snorers. Being overweight puts extra pressure on many places in your body, including the throat, which can lead to snoring. Since your neck is one of the first places you lose weight from, even just a few pounds can help calm snoring down. If your bedmate is a chronic snorer, it may become necessary to make certain adjustments to your schedules. Ask your snoring partner to wait until you have already fallen asleep before coming to bed. This way, you can fall asleep quickly and may have a better chance of waking up being well rested the next day. As silly as it may seem, singing may be the answer to curing your snoring. The reason is because you exercise your throat muscles when you sing, making them much stronger over time. Toned muscles will help you breathe better and reduce your snoring. Playing a wind or reed instrument can also build your throat muscles. Avoid drinking alcohol within 5 hours of bedtime. Alcohol, along with other sedative drugs, causes the muscles at the back of the throat to relax. When these muscles relax, you are more apt to snore. Stay away from those nightcaps. You may actually sleep more soundly if you do not drink before bed. To stop snoring, go on a weight loss regimen if you are currently overweight. Fat is intruding on the available space for your air passages, and those narrower passages are causing you to snore. If you get rid of the fat, your passages will be able to open fully, and you can stop snoring. If you snore in the winter months, try sleeping with a humidifier. Sometimes very dry air, such as that we are exposed to in the dead of winter, causes a stuffed up nose. This makes a person breathe through their mouth and often results in snoring. A good quality humidifier will add moisture to the air and help you to avoid this problem. Now that you have a better idea about what to do when it comes to snoring, you should have a better idea about how to get rid of the unwanted noise you make during your sleep. Use all that you acquired from this video and you should have no problem doing just that. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.